Welcome to How To Q. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, I do a lot of DIY. Please subscribe. You can check out all my other videos that I have available. But today we're going to see how we pulled this off my roof with that. Check this out. So this is our 1957 home we're renovating. That was our old one-car garage. He's just getting his excavator up to put the bucket over our old living room where we've got our really old air conditioning unit that he's about to pull down. So enjoy it. There's his dad on the right. While you watch them kind of hooking up the bucket, we spared no expense on production. We have two cameras on this one from the roof, one from the ground, so hang on for both views. And as promised, here's the view from the ground. Wait, back that up one more time. And that hissing noise you're hearing is the Freon leaving the old unit. That was pretty cool. I had never seen it done. He wasn't sure if he could actually get it off the roof like that, but everything worked out. So like I said in the beginning, I do a lot of DIY. Please subscribe, check out my other videos. I'm sure there will be more from our renovation. Thanks for watching How To Q. We'll see you next time.